Now we're coming to an exercise that I love so much. Vision boards. We're going to do a vision board. Okay, so if you've never done a vision boards are very fun and they're very powerful. So you have two choices. For this video and for this assignment that I would like you to do, I want you to either choose a physical vision board. So this would be poster boards, glue sticks, pictures from any magazines that you love, that speak to you, that make you feel good, whatever that is, those types of pictures you're going to want. And then you can add glitter or words here and there, things that you want to focus on, whether it be love or gentleness or connection or nature, whatever it is, whatever type of words that inspire you, you can include those words on your vision board. So this is a physical vision board. And then alternatively, you can do a digital vision board. And I really like these because they're easy to do. You can just do them on your phone real quick, and I love them. I do them often for different areas of my life. So if you go into the App Store or the Google Play Store, Instagram has an Instagrid, and you can download that. And basically, I mean, you might have another app on your phone for it, but basically what it does is it puts pictures together. So I like to use the grid that has 9 pictures. That's the most I can get on one. And I choose 9 pictures about a particular topic, whatever my vision board is about. So when you do that, remember, the thing is, choose pictures. You can use any pictures from the internet. This is for personal use, so you don't have to worry about copyright. But you're choosing pictures that make you feel the way that you want to feel. So it doesn't have to be a specific thing. Like, let's say you want a new car. So it doesn't have to be the specific car that you want, although it could be, but it doesn't have to be. It's more so the idea of what type of feeling do you want to feel. Okay, so that might be true for a physical item, like a car or a new house or something like that. Or it might be, you want to be healthier, so you're having pictures of your healthy eating or different plates of food or something like that. So you get the idea. So you put those all together, and this is your vision board. Now, what you want to do is you want to spend time every day after you create this vision board. Put it in the background of your phone, or if it's the physical vision board, put it up in your kitchen or somewhere where you're going to see it on a regular basis. You want to spend time looking at it, meditating on it each and every day, because that gets in your mind. Create some positive affirmations around your vision board, around the life that you want to create for yourself. So whatever it is, create some of those positive affirmations in the present tense, in the present form, about you, I am sentence structures. So I am becoming, or I am attracting, or I am fit, whatever it is that you want to increase in your life, that you want to obtain in your life, or become in your life, or create in your life. Create some positive affirmations that go with your vision board. And that's it. That's for this assignment. That's for this video, creating your own fun vision board. It should be lovely. It should be one of the things that you love the most. Because why? Because this is your life, the life that you want to create, the change that you want to implement, and you're getting there each and every day. Do not give up, my friend. I promise you that if you discipline yourself to focus on this each and every day, you will see change in your life. You're going to see changes in your opportunities, and the people that you're attracting in your life, the people that are coming towards you are going to be a different type of people, a higher vibrational type of person that is going to uplift you more, things of this nature that really help you in your life. And it's so important as we root out the things that we no longer want, the things that we're programming into our subconscious mind as children. We're releasing those things, and we're implementing good things. We're visualizing good things. And now we have our vision board. Again, focus on it every single day. Look at it, appreciate it, feel gratitude for those things that are coming into your experience.